Otinus machining centers are a modern solution for your company, providing greater independence and opening up a whole new range of services and production possibilities. Equip your workshop with an Otinus machining centers applicable in nearly all industries utilizing machining through milling. Serve small, medium and large enterprises in the aviation, automotive, foundry, mining, machinery, shipbuilding, defense and other industries. Additionally, enjoy an unlimited supply of spare parts for machine operating in your company at any time. Take on new projects involving complex thin-walled molds for the plastics industry, steel molds for serial and mass production of aluminum, and food molds for confectionery products. With the Otinus Machining Center, you can make a strong entry into the machinery and spare parts industry. Use our machine to mill gears, splines, flanges, housings, shafts, bearings, and other structural elements. The automotive industry is a sector where the Otinus Machinery Center performs particularly well. Undertakes projects involving engine components such as blocks, housing, heads, crankshafts, suspension systems with elements like control arms, springs and shock absorbers. In braking systems, you can produce discs, calipers, brake shoes and much more. Understanding the challenges our clients face, we offer the most crucial benefits alongside our machines: peace of mind. With our machining center, you receive fast response service and professional training on machine operation from our experienced staff with years of expertise in CNC machine setup and operation. Don't wait weeks and months for a response. Our technician will not leave you stranded. What sets us apart from the competition is our efficient service and constant client communication. Our technician will visit your company, perform the service, and instruct your staff on how to avoid unwanted incidents. Want to learn more? We invite you to a free demonstration of the machine at our showroom, where you can see if our machine meets your expectations. Call us or visit our website at otinus.com.